Sobat Telkom, welcome to Telkom's Heard on the Streets monthly stock update with me, Gina Sara. Here we will share with you a review of Telkom stock on a monthly basis. And now we will start with the month of February 2023. Throughout the month of February, the Indonesian economy showed its resilience starting from the inflation rate, which showed a decline to 5.3% from the previous 5.8%. The rupiah exchange rate strengthened from 15,500 rupiah to 15,200 rupiah, driven by the increase in the highest foreign exchange reserves to 139.4 billion US dollars from the previous 137.2 billion US dollars. Commodity prices began to stabilize after declining since May 2022, with China's economy thriving after it reopened, followed by the reopening of social and economic activities in several countries. Most of the prominent stock market exchanges in the world were still flattish, with some sign of softening in February due to the higher interest rate to control the inflation back to target. In Indonesia, the Indonesian market was also impacted by the global high interest rate decision. But on February 16, 2023, Bank Indonesia, our country's central bank, has announced to keep its interest rate at the level of 5.75% as the impact of the downturn of inflation to 5.28% during January 2023. Furthermore, the Indonesian GDP, balance of trade, and balance of payment are still in the positive trend. The combination of Indonesia's favorable macro developments, the strengthening of the IDX and foreign investor net purchases of around 185 billion rupiah are among the factors driving Telkom shares to strengthen by around 0.3% from February 1st and grew by 3.5% from the beginning of 2023 to the end of February 2023. If we see the Telkom stock price trend, we see an uptrend in the fourth week of February to 4,040 rupiah as a result of the positive market sentiment, or grew around 7.45% during February's fourth week, almost the highest level in the last 3 months. After that, there was a minor profit-taking action that impacted the Telkom share price back to 3,880 rupiah at the end of February 2023 to reduce the gap. Furthermore, the release of the company's financial reports for the 2022 fiscal year was an additional catalyst for the Indonesian Composite Index to strengthen due to positive results from a number of issuers from several sectors such as mining and also banking. Another factor driving the strengthening of Telkom shares during February 2023 was the start of a positive response to major corporate actions which will be carried out by PT Telkom, namely the Fixed Mobile Convergence or FMC strategy, which is estimated and believed to have a positive impact on the top line or revenue to the bottom line or net profit. Telkom also continues to strengthen its telecommunication tower business. On February 18, 2023, Telkom, through its subsidiary Mitratel, signed a conditional sales purchase agreement of 997 towers, previously owned by Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison or IOH. The transaction is expected to be completed in the first quarter of 2023. And moving forward, Telkom will be releasing Telkom's financial statements for the 2022 financial year at the end of March 2023. And will continue to update the progress of the 5 Bold Moves corporate strategy, including the FMC initiative, in which this has the potential to become a catalyst for Telkom shares. Another catalyst to strengthen Telkom stock in March 2023 is the launch of our hyperscale data center, or HDC, in Cikarang, which its grand launching will be held this month in March. And this is believed to contribute more revenue for Telkom Group. Moreover, in the fourth week of March, the fasting month of Ramadan will start and followed by Eid, or locally known as Lebaran, in April. This is an annual festive season which has the potential to boost traffic and increase data usage. This will also be the additional catalyst for Telkom's performances ahead. That's all for this month's Heard on the Streets monthly stock update. Do share with us your thoughts, and we hope to see you again next month. Goodbye.